My name is Rene. I'm the manager here at Allen's Kitchens and Bathrooms, and I've been here for about 2.5 years. Don Allen started his business about 20 years ago. It was a family business, still is today, and he started off doing everything the old school way, and it's been growing ever since. The volume of work we were getting, that was going to be unrealistic to take on that work just by doing it with a panel saw. Before I started working at Allen's Kitchens, I was considering getting that equipment myself, and I'd known for years the benefits and the quality of the work that would come out of it. Also too, just talking to other businesses that had made that step, and they all said that that was just the wise decision, and they haven't looked back. Well, the journey started about 2 years ago, and we started with the basics package with cabinet vision, and we didn't have the CNC at the time, and what it did is it enabled us to produce more accurate shop drawings, both for here in the shop and also for the customer. That was really just the stepping stone. It was always going to be moving towards the CNC as well. Having the software already before having a CNC installed was beneficial because we were familiar with the program, we understood the basics, so it just meant probably an easier transition. It takes a lot of the human error out of the whole process. Once it makes it out to the machine, we have a number of guys that can run the machine, and that there's no stop-start or just relying on 1 or 2 people. Productivity has definitely gone up, probably 2-3-fold, maybe even more. That all is been beneficial to the company. It allows us to do pretty much complete kitchens in a matter of days rather than over a week or 2. Cabinet vision has gotten me off the saw. It's taken me from being an actual working in the shop every day, and also having to come into the office and do all that stuff as well, which means I'm able to do that part right rather than trying to do many different things. I'm also able to take leave, holidays, things like that without having to worry about production slowing down. When we had the CNC come on board, it's been a very seamless transition. Planit's been very easy to deal with. Even with tech support, the times that I've called up about that, the guys there are very knowledgeable. They're able to help us out and fix any problems we've had. So, Planit has been great. The service has been great all along. Training, dedication to getting it right, hands-on. So they're not just showing you how to do it, you're actually doing it while you're training. We also recognise that right now we're using standard, but the advantages to upgrade are there to advanced, because what we want to do for the future and with our company and grow, we're going to need to do that. So definitely upgrading is something we'll be doing in the future. I've looked at other programs over the years too, and different systems, and definitely Planit is the way to go because it's just designed, it's simple, it does everything you need it to, and the service is there too.